Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the trading desk, where we talk about the daily movers in the market. Specifically my trades, why I took them, why I thought they were a good setup, and how did they resolve. So today, we're sitting up $62 on the day, which is just great. It should have been a little bit more maybe, but I guess I kind of traded one obvious stock today. Maybe there were more, but I only had time to trade between 1 and 2. I am on a holiday right now, so I'm recording this video a little bit late. So $62 on the dot. Lost a little bit, I think around $7. 3 trades, I mean more trades, but in terms of like really big ones, made two very nice ones and one just a little loss. So let's get over them. So the stock I traded was BTAI. It had news. So the news was that it announces last patient last visit in Serenity at Home, pivotal phase 3 safety trial, etc. So it had some very nice news, but as we know, this stock, if you can see here on the daily chart, it has been moving. So I think we've traded this a lot before, but nevertheless, it was a great stock to do so. So the daily chart is kind of whack, but it doesn't really matter. So how did I trade this? So news comes out, and let me just see how it's doing right now. So yeah, it's selling off. News comes out. I miss it actually. So I opened the stock, but I don't see news, which is weird because it shows up right there. But this guy, I mean the news trading symbol was, I guess, behind, and I didn't catch it. So it goes up. I'm like, okay, BTI going up and no news. And I was watching some of the stocks. So when I went back to it, it had already pulled back and went up right here. So I missed that move and I saw the news. I was like, damn, okay, let's watch it because it's the only thing that was moving. Now that was the only thing with news. As you can see here, the volume was okay, right? And the float was good. So I'm watching it, and I guess I'm waiting for this retest of 179 as a resistance level because, as you can see here, we got that double top. So it kind of sells off. It tries again right here, but very slowly. It kind of curls back up here, and then as it's gonna break here 170, I get in, and 178, 500 shares, stalls out, breaks through here, actually sells off here first. So trying to retest this level, I sell half my position, so basically 4 cents, 200, not that much, but only half my position. As it goes up, I add at 500 and 188, so I'm up. So I'm basically in for 750 shares. Goes up, goes down, goes up right here, as I saw this doji forming and here the volume declining. Let me see the MACD here a bit, so I can lower the chart. MACD was basically almost crossing over here and the doji was forming. I was like, okay, let's get out. Got out at 194, 750 shares. Great move, right? Made around $65, $70 on that. Drops down for the pullback, down to the 9 EMA, starts curling back up, goes up. I get in here again for the pushback up to at least 197, and nothing. It kind of stalls out. But I bought 200 shares here, so a little bit slower size because I didn't want to lose it all, and then it kind of rejects here. I got in at like 188, 189, as you can see, and then kind of rejects. So I sell immediately because I thought to myself, if the move was gonna work immediately, it was gonna work now, right? So I sell off. $7 is fine, right? Goes up again down to 195. I was thinking about adding here, but no. Pulls back, right? And I buy 100 shares. No, actually, wait, 130, 33. Yeah. So it starts curling back up. And as it hits here 192, 193, 191, I'm like, okay, it's going to break through this level. So I had this double top here. It happened basically the same thing that happened here. I get in here on this candle, on this green candle, 192. It pulls back a little bit. Two small red candles. So why did I stay in and not sell? First, we had this 9 EMA support resistance, right? It touched it once, it touched it twice. Not only that, look at the red volume. people. So this is what I'm seeing, right? This is what I'm seeing. Let's see. So I'm seeing this, and what am I watching? So as you can see, the volume people here that got in is much greater than these two selling candles, right? It's like this, like maybe twice. So I'm saying, okay, everybody that got in is not selling, right? And I'm like, okay, great, it's not selling. So it starts moving up, and it breaks through to this level up to 210. I sell at 204. So could have made a bit more money here, but I think I started selling once I saw this red candle. So give or take, right? And yeah, what I should have done actually, what I was thinking about doing was adding another 100 shares, so basically for 200 here. But I was a little bit skeptical of the move because we had this resistance here at 220 from the daily chart. So I just took I just like kind of sat on my 100 shares, sold it, and I was happy with it, right? Sold it right there, made like I think like $19, $15, and that put me up $62 in the day. So great day actually. Good green day. One stock I traded, didn't have that much time, so I kind of went all in. I would say that it was a good start to the month. It was Friday, so I wasn't expecting that much of anything, but nevertheless it was a great day. Made the right calls. News, basically just a normal setup that I like, and break through the highs of days, bought, sell. Didn't make drastic moves, so that's why I went in with a little bit more size. But yeah, all in all, great trades. So lesson learned was following my strategy, right? Great strategy. Looking to continue this momentum up through Monday. Monday, I guess Sunday, I'll try to get out a video on this weekend because of what's my trading strategy, and maybe my watch list, but we'll see. I see this Lobo. So here, this thing, I think it had news about something. Yeah, positive volatility. So I mean, this guy went out from like what, 4 cents piece, right? Like 0.4 to a lot, like a lot. We'll see. We'll see what happens. And but the most part is be there. I'll be there Monday. You know me. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and have a good rest of your weekend.